Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate create role-based access with Softr detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate role-based access with Softr, begin by logging into your Softr account. Navigate to the project where you want to implement role-based access. In the left-hand menu, click on the Settings tab. Select Access Control from the options available. You will see a button labeled Add Role. Click on it to create a new user role. Enter a name for your new role in the designated field. Next, define the permissions for this role based on your requirements. Adjust access settings to specify which parts of the app users with this role can view or edit. After setting up the role, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Now, go to the Users section in the left menu. Click on the Invite User button to bring new users into the project. Enter the email address of the user you want to invite. Choose the role you just created from the drop-down menu. Send the invitation by clicking on the Send Invite button. The invited user will receive an email to join your project. Once they accept the invitation, they will have access according to the role you assigned. To test the role-based access, log out of your account and log in with the newly invited user's credentials. Navigate through the app to verify the user's permissions. Make any necessary adjustments by returning to the access control settings. Repeat the process for any additional roles you need to create. This setup will help ensure that your team can access only what they need to enhance productivity and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.